Okay, I'm going to demonstrate the push button start of the 1952 International L100 series pickup. So, have to turn the key. You can actually turn it either way, right or left. And then here's the push button start right here. And just push it. There you go. Now, all the gauges work: oil pressure, fuel, and amps. The thermostat functions appropriately. I've tested it. However, the temp gauge reads hot. I have never had an issue of it overheating. I've driven it 50 miles round trip, never had an issue, and have done a temperature sensor on the engine block and never had an issue. But it does read hot, and the speedometer works as well. Let me know if you have any questions.